Hi everybody, Ezra Parzubak here, cannabis consultant and educator. I'm going to explain medical marijuana in as little time as possible. Basically, 300 million years ago, give or take, a sea squirt, our ancient relatives, had a mutation. And this mutation created an endocannabinoid system. This is a system that's naturally occurring in humans and vertebrates and virtually every animal species except for the insect world. And what it does is a feedback system between cells. And so cells turn on and off and they have different behaviors. And the endocannabinoid system is essentially a little pharmacy inside our bodies that releases chemicals that affect the cells. Generally, what it seems to do is regulate behavior. So if you have a nervous system being hyperactive, it brings the nervous system down. If you have an immune system being hyperactive, it brings the immune system down to homeostasis, a baseline. And the reason why people all over the world, some estimates are in the hundreds of millions of people, use cannabis because these phytocannabinoids, the chemicals from the plant, can enter our system and trigger these cell regulators in the endocannabinoid system. So it's just a coincidence that this one plant, this loaded charged plant that's been in amidst the drug war for decades, just happens to have these compounds that affect the endocannabinoid system. Now, plants, the cannabis plant has over 50, over 60, some people have now counted to up to 100 different compounds, active compounds in the plant. So we're just beginning to understand what they all do. Some are the most famous ones, THC, which is what gets you high, and the other, CBD, is a compound that doesn't get you high but actually regulates THC. And now people are discovering that CBD is really beneficial for everything from anxiety reduction to hormone balancing to helping the brain regenerate healthy cells after a traumatic brain injury. So CBD, cannabidiol, is a really fascinating molecule that's now produced by hemp growers the world over. So that is not illegal. It's not a substance that is grouped in with THC. It's actually just part of the hemp industry. Now there's a gray area. Can you produce hemp in the US? Should it be produced in overseas, etc.? The general response is hemp is, people who produce hemp and have a farming license to produce hemp can produce CBD because it's just naturally occurring in the plant. And that's what I do. I sell CBD and help patients understand how to use it to avoid pharmaceuticals and get symptom reduction. All right, thanks. Take care.